What if I told you that a machine can read your words and instantly tell whether you're happy, angry, confident, or completely frustrated? And no, this is a mind reading. This is artificial intelligence. Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about a powerful AI technology that can understand human emotions just by analyzing text. It's called sentiment analysis. Now think about this. If someone writes, "I am extremely happy with this product," and someone else writes, "This is the worst experience of my life," you immediately know who's happy and who's disappointed. But here's the real question. How does a computer understand that? Here's where it gets interesting. AI doesn't just read sentences like we do. It breaks text into individual words. Then it analyzes each word carefully. Some words carry positive emotion, like amazing, excellent, confident, success. Others carry negative emotion, like terrible, frustrated, disappointed, failure. The AI assigns scores to these words. Then it combines those scores to calculate the overall emotion of the sentence. If positive words dominate, the result is positive. If negative words dominate, the result is negative. If it's balanced, the result is neutral. Simple, right? But that's just the basic level. Advanced AI systems also understand context. For example, if someone writes, "I thought it would be great, but it disappointed me." Even though the sentence starts positive, the ending changes emotional tone, and the AI detects that. This technology is already being used everywhere. Amazon product reviews, Twitter comments, customer feedback systems, even job interview analysis. Imagine giving an interview and an AI system quietly evaluating not just your answers, but your confidence level too. That's not science fiction. That's happening right now. AI is no longer just reading data. AI is understanding human behavior. And the most powerful part? You don't need magic to build this. You need logic, algorithms, Python, machine learning. This is not just technology. This is the future of communication between humans and machines. If you want to learn how to build AI systems instead of just using them, if you want to turn your coding skills into future-ready power, make sure you subscribe. Because here, we don't just talk about AI. We build it. And remember, the future doesn't belong to the people who fear AI. It belongs to the people who create it.